Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to see your zip code on Cash App Card. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Your zip code is available on your personal page on the latest version of Cash App. So open up Cash App, sign into your account, and in order to see the zip code that is attributed to your Cash App card, all that you have to do is tap on your icon at the top right corner of the screen. Under Account and Settings, choose the Personal category. In the Personal settings, scroll all the way down, and you are going to be able to see your bio info and finally your address. On the Address category, your zip code and full address should be displayed. All that you have to do to change or see your zip code is to tap your address, and you will be able to edit it at any time. In there, you will find a zip code that is attributed to your account and consequently your Cash App card, and if necessary, you can tap Replace Address in order to change the zip code. Like I mentioned, the zip attributed to your card is the same one displayed here, so as long as you go to your personal page after you sign into your Cash App account, the zip code will be available in here at the bottom of the personal category. You can change it at any time and make sure that it matches the billing address of any purchases that you make. So that's basically how you can see your zip code on Cash App Card. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.